Okay. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
And happy holidays to everybody that, whatever you celebrate, we just wanted to say happy holidays, and we hope that you all have a wonderful, blessed year and spend lots of family time and eat lots of cookies and yummy food.
Get all crazy?
And get all crazy. And we want to thank you all for being a part of our Scentsy family, and that each and every one of you make a big difference in our family. And thank you for helping our dreams come true, and we hope that every year you push yourself further to grow and achieve your goals. So make sure that starting 2015 you set good goals to start moving forward towards new things. Anybody else want to say anything?
Want to say anything? No. Happy holidays!
Happy holidays!
Bye!
Bye!